Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss input types in HTML. Input types in HTML. Right. Okay, I just open a Visual Studio Code. I'm taking this new file. That file name is first.html. Right. Okay, I need a basic structure of HTML file. Just simply you can type HTML. It show a intelligence. This is called intelligence. Okay, you need HTML file structure. Just press enter. It gives the default structure of HTML file. Right. The first input is input type equal to text, which is display the text box, right? I just want to see the output of this file. Okay, right. You need to go to this file location, then you need to open a file. It should open in a browser. Okay, if you are using Visual Studio Code, then you need to install one extension. Okay, go to this icon, that is the extension icon. Then you can type live server. Okay, you can click a live server, then you can install it. I already installed, that's why it's showing a uninstall. Okay, once you can install it, you can restart your Visual Studio Code. You can restart your Visual Studio Code. Once you restart your Visual Studio Code, okay, you can click right. Okay, you can click right click, then you can see the open with live server. Open with live server. If you click that one, your file should be run in a one port number with this local host. It should open, okay, with one port number and server, local server. This is your file name, first.html. Right. If you see this input type equal to text, it should display the text box. It display the text box. We'll go to the next type. Input type equal to password. Password. If you want to, okay, whatever the data user enter into the text box, you want to hide, okay, you want to hide the data, then you can use the password. Okay, I am trying to enter some text into the text box. See, it should be display the dot dot. If you want to hide the information, then you can use type equal to password. Better I will take the password input into a next line. That's why I'm taking a breakpoint here. Okay, next I save it. Very good. Better we'll take some name also. Okay, for confusing, I'm just taking user name here, colon. The password should be password colon. A little bit good now. Okay, right. Now I just add a breakpoint now. After, okay, now I just go to the another input type equal to radio button. It should be display the radio button. See here. Okay, right. For the radio button, I'm just taking a gender colon. Okay, you can take a male here. It should display the radio button like this. You select, it should be select. Next, I just go to the break. Okay, right. The next input type is checkbox. Next input type is checkbox. Right. I just take, okay, like hobbies. Okay, colon. Input type equal to checkbox. Simply you can give, okay, watching TV or cricket. If you see this output, okay, whenever you are modifying, the file should be saved and it should be display on your browser. No need to refresh, nothing. If you use this extension, live server extension, no need to go to the browser, go to the file location and refresh that, no need. Whenever the text should be updated in this file, it is automatically update into your file in the browser. Right. Next, we go for the another input type, that is button. Okay, right. I'm just taking one input type equal to button. Then you can close it. Better, I just want to give some value for this button. Value is equal to go. Before that, I am adding one more break here. So this is the type of button. Next, I just want to display the color. Okay, I'm giving a name color. Now I'm discussing input type color. Input type equal to color. We should show a color box. Okay, if you see the screen, just click the screen. Which color you want, you can select that color. This is also one type of element of type. Next, we go for the input type of email. Okay, I'm just giving email. Input type equal to email. Okay, right. Better I just take one breakpoint here also. I will take another breakpoint here. Another breakpoint here. Okay, yes. If you try this one, type equal to email, you should check the email. If you are using the forms, okay, if you are using the form with a button, that time you realize, okay, it check the validation also, email. Okay, the type is email. I'm giving one@gmail.com. Like that, it should be validate your email ID if you are using type email. Next, I just to go to the file value. Okay, that is upload image. Input type equal to file. Then you can close it. Then you can add your break. Okay, see here. Upload. It asking a upload file. If you select that one, you can go to the download wherever it's download. I'm selecting this image. If you see that, okay, it should display your image name. It should display the image name. If you select any file, it should display that file name here. If you are using input type file, right? Next, I just to go for the hidden type hidden. Okay, right. Input type equal to hidden. I'm just giving for understanding, I'm giving some name here, that is ion. I'm just adding some breakpoint here. Yes. Okay. Somehow, based on our requirement, okay, for programming, we need some value, but in display, we don't that one. That reason you can hide that value. Type equal to hidden. If you want to see this value, right click on the page, go to the inspect, within the inspect, you can open the, you can find here your value. If you see the screen, it's not visible, but if you go to the inspect in the element section, you can find hidden value. Like that, you can use type hidden. Very good. I want to use button as a image. Button as a image. Then you can go to the input type equal to image. Now I want to use button as a image. Okay, that scenario you can use that one. Type equal to image. src equal to, you can pass your image URL. You can pass your image URL here. After that, If you want to width, then you can add your width also. I just want to give you the width 250. Height should be 250. I just close that one. Now you can see this. This is the button. If you click this, it should be button of image. Like that, you can use type equal to image. This is also one type of input. Right. We go for the next one. We go for next. What is number? Input type equal to number. Okay, the text box should allow only the numbers, only the number. If you see this one, if you are trying to enter any character, it won't allow. If you trying to enter the digit, it should be allow. Why? Because we are saying that type equal to number, right? Very good. Better we'll add one more break after the type image. All right. Next, we have another type, that is date. I'm giving a date of birth, DOB. Input type equal to date. I just close that input. I'm just adding one more break here. You see this one, you can find a calendar here. You can select your date of birth. Like that. Yes. We have another. For example, I want local time. Local time. Okay, I want local date time. Okay, wherever the user open our site, I want that time. Then you can go to the type equal to date time local. Okay, local time colon input type equal to date time hyphen local. Right? Yes. If you go to this one, you can select now 14 and 3 p.m. If you see this one, 14th and 3 p.m. The time, local time should be displayed 3 p.m. Okay, in 14th and May. You can just observe here and here. You can, wherever you want, you can select that one. If you want to clear, you can clear that. If you want to second, you can select the time also like this. That is local time. Right. We go for one more, that is type equal to month. Type equal to month. That is the another input type. Input type equal to month. It should be display. It should be display the month. It should be display the month. See, which month you want, you can select it. See, I want to select December, you can select. We have another one. Okay, that is time. That is time. Next input type is time. Input type equal to time. We just add the break. See here, you should be display the time. Which time you want, you can just go 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 5 a.m. Which time you want to select, you can select that. We are providing the user should select the time. That reason you can select a type equal to time. Like this. Next, if you want to display weeks of year, okay, for example, in June, okay, third week, which one we can get based on the year, then you can go to the input type week. Input type equal to type equal to, then you can mention the week here. Break. Now you can scroll it. Now you can see here, I'm clicking here. You can find this is the 19th week in the year 2022. If you want to go to the 20 week, then you can select here. You should go to the week 20 and 2022. Based on the year, you should display the week. For example, if you go for the Jan, the first week should be this one. Like that, you can get the data from the user. That is the week. We have one more, that is input type equal to submit. If you want to send a data to the server, that time we can use type equal to submit. You want to send a data from client to the server, then we can use a type equal to submit. So that time we are using this type equal to submit. If we have created one form, we need to send a form data to the server, then we can use this type equal to submit. Very good. Next input type is range. Range. Input type equal to range. Okay. Minimum range. What is the minimum range? 0. And maximum should be 11. I'm giving. Okay. For example, I'm just giving some salary or something in 1000. I'm giving K. See, you can move the minimum value to maximum value. Some people ask, I want to get this value. I want to get this value. User select. Okay, user selected value I need to display. Okay, for that, how we can get, I'm just taking one button. In the button, I'm giving a on click equal to show range. That is the JavaScript function. Okay, and I'm closing that one. Here I am getting get range. Get range. I need to implement this function or not? Yes. I'm just go to the header. In the head, I'm creating a script tag. Within the script tag, I'm creating a function. I'm calling that function with curly braces. Alert. Okay. Document dot get element by ID. Based on the ID, if you want to get, you need to provide an ID to your input element. That's why I'm giving ID. Okay. My range. My range. Document dot get element by ID. That ID dot value. Whenever user select that range, I want to get that value. That's why I just create one button. In the button, I am calling a show range function. Within the show range, I am giving a alert. See, if you use a selector like this, you can click this one. You should be display the value on the browser. Like that, we can get a value. ID main range, type equal to range, document, okay, function show range. Very good. Then you can click the range. It should be display the value. Let's see if we are getting any error on console. Go to the console. Document dot get element by ID. That's okay. Make sure, guys. Okay. Whenever you are doing a wrong, okay, that time only you can learn. Okay. Yes. Here the spelling mistake. Okay. Instead of get element by ID, we give get element ID. That's right. Now you can refresh the page. Click here, see the value. Now I just move to here and then you can see the what range user should selected here. You can find in this alert. Okay, right. That's it. We have multiple input types are there. Okay, maximum we use this type of element only. Okay. Yes. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel.